Hello everyone, this is me Padma. In this video, we are going to see how to construct root 2 and root 3 on the number line. What is root 2 and root 3? They are the irrational number. So obviously we are going to see how to draw an irrational number on the number line which belongs to class 9 chapter 1 rational and irrational number or number system. First take a ruler, draw a line of random length, any length you can draw. Yes. Now take a compass and measure for 2 centimeter. Yes, it's already in 2 centimeter only. So what I'm going to do, from any point, an arc of 2 centimeter. Yes, I have made. Now mark these points as O and A. So I'm marking this point as O and this point as A. So before proceeding further, I just want to clarify one thing. Actually, we need to construct an arc for 1 centimeter only, because we are going to find root 2, right? So for that I need 1 centimeter only, but using our compass, constructing 1 centimeter arc is very difficult. So I'm just extending 1 centimeter as 2 centimeter. So what I'm going to make, 2 centimeter is going to give for us as 1 unit. So here it is 1 unit only we are going to take, but we cannot use 1 centimeter. It's very difficult to do that, to do an arc. So I am making this as a 2 centimeter. So now the next step is, that is the reason why I'm saying here it is 2 centimeter, but actually we require only 1 unit. So here I'm mentioning this as 1 unit. Okay, so now from A we are going to draw a perpendicular line. So for that I'm going to use a protractor. Yes, so from A, yes, just mark 90° and draw a perpendicular line from A. So drawing a perpendicular line from A. Yes, this got over. Now our next step is, take again same 1 unit, which is 2 centimeter measurement, and make an arc on this perpendicular line by keeping A as center. So take a compass and keep the center as A. Now what is our thing? We are going to mark 1 unit on this perpendicular line. So just mark perpendicular 1 unit on the perpendicular line and mark this intersection as B. Yes, now join B. So I am joining here O and B. Yes, now actually this O and B is nothing but root 2 value. I will say why it is. This is what root 2 value. So OA is 1 unit, and what about AB? This is also 1 unit, and OB is equivalent to root 2. So we are going to check how it is root 2. Yes, now I'm going to write. See, if you see in this one, it's nothing but this OAB is a triangle, right? OAB is a triangle, and check what is the angle at A. It's nothing but 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle. So can I use Pythagoras theorem for this? Yes. So which is your hypotenuse? OB is the hypotenuse, because this is the side opposite to 90 degree. So I can write the Pythagoras theorem. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. So this is what our Pythagoras theorem. So using this, I'm going to find what is the value of OB. This is what our thing, right? Because OA also we only used 1 unit and AB is also 1 unit. We know that. We don't know what is OB. Now I told OB is going to be root 2, but how this root 2 came, we are going to find out. So what is OA square? It's nothing but 1 square. And what is AB square? It's nothing but 1 square, which is nothing but 2. So now what is OB? It's nothing but root 2. So OB square is 2, then OB equal to root 2. So that is how OB root 2 value came. But OB is not on the, that means the root 2 value is not on the number line. So we are going to mark this on a number line. So take a measure this OB length and just move and make an arc on the sleeping line which we made. For at first we made one sleeping line, right? Baseline. On that we are going to make an arc. That is what our number line, right? So there only we need to make an arc. So what is this actually? I can mark this intersection as some other letter. So I am marking this as D. So now from O to this D is going to be root 2. So I can say OD is equal to root 2. that is what existing on the number line. Actually OB is equal to root 2, but OB is not on the number line because the point B is not on the number line. That's the reason we measured OB using a compass, and we made an arc on the number line, and the intersection we marked this as D. So OD is equal to root 2. So now we have found root 2 value, how to draw that on a number line. Now we are going to see how to draw root 3 on a number line. For that we are going to draw a perpendicular line from OB. So we are going to draw a perpendicular line from B by using OB as center. Yes. So I have marked 90 degree. So we are going to draw a line now. So take a ruler. So join this B point and the 90 degree which we marked now. Yes. So we drawn a perpendicular line from B by keeping OB as a base. Yes. Now this has got over. Now our next thing is we are going to take again 1 unit measurement using a compass by keeping B as center and make an arc on this new perpendicular line which we have drawn from B right now. Yes, we have marked, and mark that intersection as with some letter. So what letter now? Next is E. So I can mark this letter as E. Now take a ruler, join the points O and E. So now we are going to find what is this OE length. So obviously it is going to come as root 3, but we will check. So now we are going to take a triangle OBE. So I will be making here. Yes. Can I say OBE as a triangle? Yes. OBE as a triangle, right? And at the B, what angle is this? At the B, it's nothing but a perpendicular line, so it's 90 degree. So again, this is a right angle triangle. We are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem over here. So here the hypotenuse is going to be OE. So OE square is equal to OB square plus BE square. Yes. So what is OB square? We have already found, right? OB is root 2. So root 2 the whole square plus what is BE square? What is this? We took it as 1 unit. So this is going to be 1 square. So what is root 2 the whole square? It's nothing but 2. What is 1 square? It's 1. So which is equal to 3. So OE square is equal to 3. Then what is OE? It's nothing but root 3. So we got OE measurement as root 3, but the E is not lying on a number line, that means on a, it's not on the baseline. So we are going to make the measurement of root 3 on the baseline. For that again we need to take a compass at the length O to E, and then we are going to make an arc on the baseline. So just we will make an arc on the baseline and mark this intersection as F, point F. So now what I'm going to say, OF is equal to root 3. So in this diagram, we have found what is root 2 on a number line, which is OD, and what is root 3 on a number line, which is OF. So from O to F, we found this is nothing but root 3 value. So this is how we need to draw the irrational number on a number line. Thank you.